Hi, this is Chris. I'm excited today. I got Your Creative Studio April subscription box in the mail yesterday, and I can't wait to open it. This is the first subscription box I've ever purchased. I've seen videos of all kinds of subscription box openings for snacks from around the world, to fabric swatches, to makeup. And then I saw Your Creative Studio, and I thought I want to get at least one of those. So we will open it. And I'm excited to see what will be in it. They always have such nice images and graphics and supplies. Okay, oh, Typewriter Custom. Write your own story. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your April collection. Oh, typewriter. So let's see. Here we have some cling stamps. We've got bold and narrow and italic, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, and lowercase, and some numbers. And here are some washi stickers, deco stickers, very Victorian looking stickers with ladies and flowers and gardening. Those are pretty. I have a rose journal on my list of things I want to do, my long list of things I want to do. These would be beautiful in that, wouldn't they? Quite a few of those, an old clock. Those are beautiful. A bird house, a butterfly house, genuine rose water, hand-drawn label, vintage look. So put those over there. And then this says, "Time flies." It feels like it might be a stamp. A cling stamp? Oh no, it's papers. Oh, nice. Vellum papers. Cinema. They're like tickets. Admit one. Ticket with a price of 35 cents. Party, special event. Ticket coupon, free. Admit one party. Those are cool. Oh, and here's a little tablet, du jours, details du jour, details of the day. Those are cute. They're perforated. The bottom one is perforated, so it comes off, perforated up here. Important, date, to do. And here we have, oh, a little typewriter. That's cute. That looks like a message holder. So you could put a business card in there like that. That'd be cute. I'm also a writer, so I really like things to do with typewriters, and I'm also into vintage, so I like vintage typewriters. That is cute. Keep silence. Well, I don't read French, but it says original stickers. Keep silence. It's a Matchbox type box. Seat number. Just read. Reading record. All to do with reading and writing. Keep silence. I should put that on the door outside my studio when I'm recording. Just read. A reading room for young people. Books to read. Well, that would be good to put in your journal when you want to make a list of books that you want to read. You could put that on there. Some blank labels. Look at all these labels. My book. More labels. Your books are calling you. Go to the library. How to stop time. Keep silence. More labels. Gosh, there's a lot of labels in here. Reading record. Reading room. There's some numbers. Yeah, that's when I'll finish reading all my books that I have in 2056. Put those back in there. And then here we have Life is a Beautiful Ride. I like these boxes that these things come in. Isn't that's too cool. You could actually cut that out and use that in another project when you're done with the box. Okay, some tall labels, forms, ledger type things, checklists. Keep this receipt. Paying cash saves you money. Pittsburgh Athletic Club. Grand Cash Market. Yeah, I need to go to the market and get some cash. Cafes, chocolate, pâtés. Oh, that's pretty. A lot of these are perforated at the top, so you have actually two different items on there. And then here's, looks like the same items in a buff colored. And here are some with rounded corners. There's a ton of items in here. These would make good bookmarks too. Powder room. Zombie Reaver. Extra strength voodoo potion. The Hounds of Baskerville. Tongue of Dog. This part down here is unreadable. I don't know if they did that on purpose or just make it look kind of like fake type or something. Flexibility tea to increase your level of flexibility. Love potion. Oh, those are cute. Lots of things you could do with that. Use them in collage and things like that. These things over here. And still more. Okay, maybe this is a stamp. Oh, it's washi. Washi masking tape. Oh, that's stuck on there. See what, oh, this is cool. Old typewriters. Old typewriters. Look at that. That's cool. Well, there's quite a few of them. Let's see the repeat. Well, it repeats in reverse and then repeats back again the way it was. Now see if I can get this back on here straight. I love to pull them out to see what they are. I don't really have a large collection of washi. I've only got about maybe 20. And this one, wooden stamp. That's interesting. Just sort of a collage of numbers and symbols and things you might see on a typewriter. So let's try that. That's cool. That could be used in collage and just give a different look to things. I have to clean my stamp off. Especially when I use permanent inks, I like to clean them. There, so this is a Stays-On all-purpose stamp cleaner. It works really well. I like that stuff. Oh, what else do we have? Another stamp. This one is a cling stamp. Oh, a big typewriter. Oh, it's hard for you to see, isn't it? So, it doesn't have a picture on the... Okay. Do another stamping. Oh, cool. I actually have a 1917 folding typewriter that I purchased a long time ago at an antique store. And it's like the laptop of its day because it folds down and goes in a little box, a little case. Maybe I'll insert a little video at the end of this showing you that little typewriter. Unfortunately, it doesn't work very well. It needs some repair work done to it. So back to our box. Here we have some stickers. They are see-through vellum-like stickers. Those are nice. I'll have to do a writing journal that shows all about old typewriters and things like that. Isn't that pretty? And then there's another piece. So there's 4 different papers. They have gold embossing. They're embossed and then gold foil embossing on them. Those are pretty. I love these botanicals on here. And these two have gold embossing, and these two don't have embossing on them. Any embossing or gold on them. Those are pretty. And then this one is vellum with gold embossing. So that is my box from YourCreativeStudio for April. And oh gosh, now I've got all these things to work with. All these washi stickers and stamps and stickers and papers and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that little view of the unboxing. Let me know if you've purchased this subscription box before, or if there's another subscription box you've purchased that you really like, down in the comments below. Here is my 1917 Corona portable typewriter that I bought many years ago at an antique mall. And it needs work to get it to actually type, but I love the look of it. And so when somebody was traveling, they could take this with them. It was a very popular model, and it folds up like this and comes down like that. And then it fit in a case, a nice black case, which is in the other room. I won't bother getting that out. But I love this little typewriter. I wish I could figure out how to get it to work. It doesn't. It types, but the carriage doesn't advance. So while we're here, I'll show you another vintage item I have. Well, actually, these are both antiques. They're not vintage. This right here is my great-grandmother's Singer sewing machine, which is a 1908 model. And she traveled when she was 28. She traveled to China to become a missionary. And then she met a missionary there, and they married and had children, and they lived there for 20 years. Then they returned to England. And then after a few years in England, they immigrated to Canada, in British Columbia, where they had an orchard. And at that time, my grandmother was about 16. And she had 2 younger sisters and an older brother. So I'm not sure when my great-grandmother bought this machine. Being a 1908, she was still in China at that time. But she probably didn't buy it new. She probably bought it used. She may have bought it when she was in England, or she may have bought it when she got to Canada. I have no way of telling. It originally had a motor that attached right down here, or you could run it by hand. So those are my 2 best antiques, I think, that I have. One is a family heirloom, and one is something that I found on my own. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day crafting.